Hello, and today we're going to show you 3 quick ways to eliminate duplicates in Excel. We have a list full of duplicate records, and they're highlighted in yellow for better visibility in this video. In this table, we have insurance policies, the policy number, date, amount, agent, last name, first name, address, city, state, and postal code. The first way to remove duplicates is with conditional formatting. We choose only one column. In this case, we pick the insurance policies numbers in column A. Now, go to the Home tab, and towards the right of it, choose conditional formatting. Then you're going to select the first choice, which is highlight a cell's rules. And then you're going to pick the very last option that says duplicate values. So once you press duplicate values, you have an option to change the colors or the formatting from the drop-down list that you see here. And once you're ready, you click OK, and the duplicate values will be highlighted for you. Now we can filter the results by color. In the policies menu, you're going to pick sort by color. Then we choose the yellow that we picked, and this will move all of them to the top. And from here, we can select and delete them. The shortcut to delete rows or columns in Excel is the Control minus. I am pressing Control Z 3 times to go back in time, undo the changes, and show you another way to remove duplicates. For example, select any cells inside the table, and the Advanced filter is found in the Data tab, and to the right of the funnel of this filter, we were going to press Advanced. The options for the Advanced filter are filter the list right where it is, or filter the list in place. We can copy this to another cell within the same sheet. We're going to select the cell N1, which is where we're going to put the list. We open the menu again with the arrow and click on Unique Records right there to complete, and click OK. You can see now how the list was copied without any duplicates. To fix the policy numbers, we're going to select the column N, then we go to the Home tab, and then in the number group we put General, and we're going to go back to the column and adjust the width by double-clicking inside the line right on the header. We have saved the best example for last. We're going to use our favorite tool, that is the Data in the Data tab, but kind of hidden. So if you go to the Data Tools group, to the right of the flash fill, you will see the Remove Duplicates tool. In here, we select all, and since we wanted to scan the entire row, and if it sees that everything is identical in 2 rows, then it deletes just one. Depending on your case, you also have the option to unselect and choose the columns you need, depending on what you're trying to achieve. We press OK, and everything is clean in seconds, and we found 13 duplicate values.
Don't forget your 52 Excel shortcuts in the link below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.